Good day, everyone. My name is Mohau Mokoena, also known as the Great Mohau. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Okay, so today I have super exciting news to share with you. I am officially launching my very own podcast, Tech Talk with a computer science major. So this podcast is a go-to space for everything tech related, right? Whether you are a tech enthusiast, you are a student like me, or someone curious about the world of technology, this podcast would be a good fit for you, right? So before I move forward, I've realized that on my previous videos, I don't normally draw more into who I am as a person. I just talk about academics, provide all that information that is needed, and then that's it. Today I'm going to do it a bit different because this is a podcast at the end of the day. So as I've said, my name is Mohau Mokoena, also known as the Great Mohau. So I matriculated in 2021 from a high school known as Bualana Secondary School. It's in Gauteng, near Vereeniging. Yes, that's a quick shout out over there. And shout out to my, all my educators from high school and my principal, right? Yes, shout out to them. He actually left after I matriculated. Okay, cool. So if you've been following my videos, you might know that I've been interested in astronomy since 4th grade. And that's the reason I then decided to study physics at university, right? Now, let me just draw more into that. I'm currently a Bachelor of Science Information Technology, or in Information Technology, sorry, majoring in Computer Science at the University of Free State. But my journey in tech didn't start here, right? So I actually began studying Bachelor of Science in Physics and Computer Science at Northwest University from 2022 to 2024. While I loved exploring the mysteries of physics, I realized my true passion lies in technology and software development. The reason I'm saying this is because, fine, I went to university to study physics with the goal to become an astrophysicist, right? But on my first year at university, I actually discovered computer science, fell in love with computer science as it was my minors, and it was compulsory for me to complete it. Then on my second year, I decided to change. Initially, it was actually physics and mathematics, and then I changed it to physics and computer science. Great. Now, in 2025, I made the leap to pursue information technology full-time, and honestly, it's been one of the best decisions I've ever made. I don't regret it at all. So, why start a podcast? That might be a question you're asking yourself. Now, as someone aspiring to become a full-stack software engineer, I've always been fascinated by how technology impacts our lives. From groundbreaking innovations like artificial intelligence, we have ChatGPT, we have Perplexity.ai, we have Grammarly for students. So that helps, right? So like artificial intelligence and blockchain to everyday tools like mobile applications and websites. W3 Schools is one of the websites that I use to learn programming languages of which I don't have knowledge of. But here's the thing, right? Technology can feel overwhelming or even intimidating if you don't know where to start. That is the problem. That's why I created this podcast, to break down complex topics, share insights from my own journey, and hopefully inspire others to dive into the world of technology. I've already done so in my group of friends. There's this old friend of mine from high school. He was studying physiotherapy at the University of Pretoria. And then after seeing one of my videos, he then decided to change, right? To study computer science at Stellenbosch University. So yes, hopefully I've also inspired a few people out there. I was also at Tutu Africa last year, which is, I wouldn't say it's an NGO, but it's an organization that provides extra classes for high school students. I used to attend there from grade 8 up until grade 12. So I went there with regards to Steam Spark. I won't be talking about Steam Spark right now, but probably in the future I will be talking about it with regards to that. And then I also mentioned that, I'm a computer science major. A few of the learners that are attending there, they showed interest, and yes, hopefully they will be going into the field of tech, because most of them, they're doing great job this year. They were doing grade 11 when I went, so okay. Now, what can you expect, right, from the podcast? I will cover everything from coding tips and software development trends to discussions about emerging technologies like machine learning, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. I'll also share my experiences as a student navigating the world of technology, balancing studies, projects, and career aspirations, right? And who knows, maybe we'll even have some guest speakers along the way. That old friend of mine, it's a possibility. He might actually be a guest speaker and just share his journey from, transitioning from physiotherapy to computer science. And hopefully it will inspire some of you out there. It is possible, right? You perceive it possible, you make it possible. That's the slogan for Royal Mercy Institute. I won't drill into it. It's okay. Now, if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, if everything that I've, mentioned sounds like something you'd enjoy, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates about the podcast. And also, please click on the notification bell, share my content with your friends and family, right? So that we reach a broader audience, because I also need, subscribers at the end of the day. I'm not doing this only for subscribers, but the more people I reach, the better. And if you have any topics you'd like to cover or questions about technology or studying information technology or computer science, drop them in the comments below. There's a comment section below. Just, drop them. And I'd definitely love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video and supporting me on this exciting new journey. The first episode of the podcast will be dropping soon, so stay tuned to my socials. I am available on Instagram at thegreatmohau with no spaces. I am available on X at Mohau, THE, no spaces. Again, I'm available on YouTube. I'm available on LinkedIn as Mohau Mokoena. I'm also available on GitHub. It's still Mohau Mokoena or just the Great Mohau. Go to Google, just search the Great Mohau. You'll find me on all the socials, right? I'm also available on TikTok. So until then, keep learning, stay curious, and let's explore the amazing world of technology together. See you soon. Thank you.